Okay, so here's the packaging for the LED upgrades I bought, which clearly aren't going to work. You know, I mean, they're a little bit shorter on the bulb side, but you know, there's this whole fan heatsink, you know, and just sort of, you know, eyeballing it. There's almost no way it would work. I mean, I could drill out this this housing and then seal it up. I'm not sure I want to do that at the moment. So just hold off on that and swap in a good bulb, just to temporarily repair it. I think there must be a short somewhere in the wiring that keeps it this side keeps blowing out, but we'll see. Here's an e28 housing. I'm just gonna steal the bulb from this, but it's worth just documenting how it comes apart. It's pretty easy. You just undo these two trim screws. Take that off. Whoops. So it's sort of like a, well, I was going to say it was a captive screw, but the screw actually, just breaking it. So these just sort of obviously retain this. This is a Bosch unit. The one on the, so this is from an e28. This is a Hella unit, the one that's on the 6. Size-wise, they're a bit different. Okay. So I'm just going to be stealing the e28 bulb. It should be the same bulb. It's an H3. So this is a halogen bulb. You want to be very careful not to touch the glass that causes premature wear. Shouldn't really need to force this, but I'm doing it backwards. That's great. All right, now I got to get a pick out. Hold on. Okay, so it does go nice and smoothly. If you look carefully, this one is rounded and this one is squared.